Have you ever noticed how people tend to mimic each other's gestures in a conversation? This phenomenon is called mirroring, and it plays a crucial role in building rapport, trust, and empathy between individuals. Let's dive into why this happens and what it means for our interactions. Mirroring is an unconscious replication of another person's body language, which can include gestures, facial expressions, and even tone of voice. This behavior helps establish a sense of mutual understanding and empathy. In the context of body language, mirroring contributes significantly to building trust between individuals. It subconsciously signals that one person is aligned with another's feelings and thoughts. Research shows that mirroring can also enhance rapport as it makes interactions more natural and less stressful. When we mirror others, they often feel understood on a deeper level, which fosters better communication. Examples of mirroring include nodding along with someone who is speaking or subtly mimicking their posture. These actions can make both parties feel more connected and comfortable in the interaction. In practical applications, mirroring can be used in various settings, such as job interviews or negotiations, to build a positive connection. It's all about subconsciously matching the other person's cues to establish a sense of mutual understanding. In summary, mirroring is an essential but often overlooked aspect of human interaction. It helps build trust and rapport by making people feel understood and connected on a subconscious level. So there you have it. Mirroring can be a powerful tool in enhancing our interactions. How do you think mirroring affects your daily conversations? Share your thoughts below.